Hola a todos. Welcome back to the channel. Today, get ready to have your mind blown because we are about to uncover some seriously cool facts about Spain. I'm talking about things you wouldn't even find it in the textbook. So buckle up and get ready to have your mind blown. All right. First up, can you guess which is the oldest restaurant in the world? The oldest restaurant in the world is in Spain. It's been open since 1725. Can you even imagine? That's older than America. I'm talking about a restaurant that's been serving up delicacies for almost 3 centuries. I don't even know if my stomach could handle that much history, dude. Okay. Next fact, you know how much people love snacks? I'm talking about chips, nachos, anything crunchy. But you know what's even better with snacks? Is the dipping sauce. And the king of all dipping sauces, the absolute champion, is olive oil. And guess what? Spain produces a ridiculous amount of world's olive oil. Talking about 44%. That's almost half of entire world's supply coming from Spain. The next fact is going to sound crazy, but it's true. The Spanish national anthem has no words. I'm serious. It's completely instrumental. Can you imagine that? Like, how do you even sing along? Do just people do humming sound like hmm? I have so many questions, but hey, maybe it's a good thing. No awkward movements, trying to remember the lyrics. So it's quite different. Time for some serious bragging. Spain is home to second highest number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites in the world. That means Spain is packed with incredible historical and cultural landmarks, more than almost any other country. And Italy, you better watch out because Spain is coming for that top post. Okay, perfect. All right. Speaking of incredible landmarks, let's talk about La Sagrada Familia in Barcelona. So this place is absolutely breathtaking. I would say it's this massive, one of a kind of art of work designed by legendary Antonio Gaudi. But here's the catch: they started building back in 1882, and it's still not finished yet. I'm not even kidding, guys. They have been working on it over a century. Wow! I mean, wow. Okay, all right. Get ready for a geography lesson now. Spain is the only country in Europe that shares a border with an African country. That's right. Spain and Morocco are separated by just a tiny little straight line. You could literally swim from one continent to the other. How cool is that, you know? Perfect. Okay, let's talk about another fact about language. You know, everyone says Spanish is one of the most beautiful language in the world. Well, they are not wrong. And guess what? Over 500 million people and counting around the world speak Spanish. That's whole lot of people to practice your Spanish. So it's quite huge. Perfect. So let's talk about something everyone likes, everyone loves, which is festivals. So Spain is famous for its festivals. I'm not just talking about your average street fair. I'm talking about epic celebration. Like, people literally have a giant tomato fight. I'm talking about thousands of people throwing tomatoes at each other in the streets that sound like absolute chaos, but in the best way possible. Yeah, it's quite amazing to witness this. All right, last fact, but definitely not least in Spain. They have this super cool New Year's Eve tradition where they eat 12 grapes at midnight for good luck, one grape for each month of the year. Imagine trying to stuff 12 grapes in your mouth at once. It sounds like a recipe for disaster, but hey, it's all in the name of good luck, right? And there you have it, guys. All these mind-blowing facts about Spain. I mean, who knew this country was so full of surprises? I'm already planning my trip to Spain. I need to try those 12 grapes myself. Seriously, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to smash that like button hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want me to try or uncover next country. Let me know. Ciao, ciao.